Welcome to AchuAshi. A. Animals eat apple. B. Birds build big nest. C. Cats chase cow. D. Dogs dig dirt. E. Elephants are big and grey. F. Fish can swim. G. Goats grab grass. Horses are hog happily. E. Insects itch inside. J. Jackals jump joyfully. K. Kangaroos kick kindly. L. Lion likes den. Monkeys munch mangoes. Nest needs new twigs. O. Oranges are juicy and tasty. Parrot picks fruit. Q. Queen wears crown. Rabbit runs rapidly. Snake is in the tree. Tiger takes turn. Unicorn use umbrella. Violins play very softly. Watermelon is yummy and tasty. X. Fox explores at night. Yellow is bright and sunny. Z. Zebra zooms zigzag. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.